What are nature prescriptions? Can you tell us more about that?
What we mean by it is having doctors prescribe nature prescriptions from the physician, since the physician will actually prescribe their patients to spend time in nature, whether it be the community park or going to a national forest or whatever, a couple of hours a week. And what's interesting is it has different health effects. So the nearby nature, the short dose of nature kind of resets our mood, right? So people are happier. It resets our attention. This is crazy. Your ability to pay attention gets reset when you spend 10 minutes in nature. So for any of us that work in these knowledge jobs, by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, you're burned out. Taking that little walk in nature really can make a huge difference and really reset that. We see stress levels go down, reduced ADHD symptoms in kids. These green
Wow.
schoolyards make a huge difference. So that's all
Okay.
these benefits come from nearby nature. The big nature, this might be your state park or a forest or a national park, has an effect on our immune system. And this is crazy. So there's a study they did out in Japan, and they randomized folks either spend the weekend in the city or to go out and spend 3 days, 2 nights in nature. And they did this thing like they call forest bathing, which is a very Japanese term. It's mindfulness in nature, right? It's being present, it's feeling the wind on your face, and it's looking at anything that's moving in the green space. It's smelling plants, it's touching the bark on a tree. And when we do that, what they did, they measured something called natural killer cells. And these are our amino cells that fight cancer, right? So it's something we all want more of. And they found there was an immediate rise. So between day one and day two, there's an immediate rise. That rise was there after 7 days, and it was significantly higher than baseline at 30 days. So spending a
Wow.
weekend in nature improves our immune system for a month, which is amazing. And so that's why I tell everybody you want to get everyday nature, and then once a month you want to get a day at a national park, being mindful, right? So not like we are right now having our headphones in, but no headphones, paying attention, really getting into that mindful piece of nature to really have the biggest effect.